Welcome to 8th chapter of this course, Guide to Joomla. Today will be first practical in which you will be taught how to create a simple but interactive website homepage. I assume that you have seen all my previous videos, so you will be comfortable to understand today practical. Let's start. So after you are on the admin of the website, just log in. Now Joomla has installed various of things for us. Now first of all, let's visit the front of the website by going to the right top link. Right now I have a template and some module positions are there, and there is a header, there is one banner, there are main content to the left side, and we have modules to the right side, and there is a footer. This is the basic structure that a website should have. We will populate, but first I will show you how to start populating, and I want to give you an introduction about the module position. So let's go to the admin, move to the settings, and under the templates go to site template styles. We have this template which currently is set as a default. Go to the options of the templates and be sure preview module position is enabled, because by default it is disabled. Then save and close. Now we have this icon preview. We can either click on this or go to the front end and add this question mark tp is equal to 1 to the URL and press enter. It will give us all the module position available on the internet. This is a plus point in the Joomla. This is not available in the WordPress or Drupal. So we have position in top bar, we have position below top, we have a position menu, and we have position search, we have position banner, we have position top A, top B, side left bar, sidebar left, breadcrumbs, sidebar right, and we have position main bottom. Under the contents, bottom A with the full width, and footer with the flood width of the website. So let's go and let us see. I will teach you e-commerce website. So I will have to install e-commerce extensions. So I will go to the systems, go to the extensions under the install tab, and from here we will browse our package of virtual mart extension, which is used for the e-commerce purpose. You can download it from the virtual mart website. It's free. It will take some time. Depending on the size of extension, because if you are using it localhost, it will be quickly installed, and if you are working on the remote server, it will first upload the file, then will extract the file, and then will upload the files and install the extension. Now this extension is installed, which is called virtual mart. This is best virtual mart extension for the e-commerce purpose. It has various plugins, which are payment plugins, shipment plugins, calculation plugins for the tax purpose, and shopping cart, all in one included. So I have to install another extension which will be used for the social media icons, social media sharing. It is called JJ Social Slider. It is free to Another extension I have already installed, and it is coming under the components. It is called DJ Image Slider. You can download it from DJ Image Slider or extension of Joomla website. It is free too. It will be used for showing the banner on the website. So now I will go to the module by navigating to system under the manage, and this is start modules. We have several modules here. We just installed the JJ module slider, and we installed this DJ image slider. We have a virtual mart module here. We have login module here, main menu login here, and many of the modules are provided by the Joomla. When we click on the new, we have a very list of all the list of module available in the Joomla, and all the extension which are installed by us. So I will go to DJ image slider and click on it, edit. It will be edited, and we will set the parameter and the position, and if you want to show the title or not, and it is asking for the slider source. Either it uses component or it uses a folder for the static images. I will use the folder. Then next is the slider type, theme, link image. You can play with this. I am not going to more details. This is the root folder where you will go, and you will have to give the path, the images where your banner are placed. Let me show you the path. This is the root directory images, and here is the banners folder. It has one banner. Paste here, and if you want to give a link to any other page, just write down here, and change the setting, basic slider setting, full width slider, yes, sliding width, let's say 1200, sorry, and this we can set 450. Now let's give the position. It should be banner, and status should be publish, and under the menu assignment we can set this to show only on only on the pages selected. I want to show only to home page, so I save it, and we'll go to the website front end, refresh the page, and you can see full width slider is here. I can set also it to not full width, and set the height some more, and here let us see what is the height of this banner. It has a height of 9020 by 602 pixel. I will set this. See, centered width, and zero space, save, control factor. Yes, it is okay now. So our slider is there. I will move this banner, which is actually another module under the banner static image. I will just unpublish it. Now we are done. Yes. Now next, there you can see we have the module login form. It is already on the right side. We have menu, it is already there. So next will be to add some social icons. I will go to JJ social slider, hide the title, set the status to publish, and let us see what is the feasible. I will set it to the right sidebar right, and menu assignment on all the pages, and we can have several settings here. Here we will give this setting here. It is very easy, you can do it yourself. Twitter link and YouTube link, and LinkedIn link, and save the module, and let us see in the front end. Yes, it is here. We can see all the social links are here because it is a floating fixed location module. Therefore, it has no relation with the module position that we have on our template. Next, I will have to modify this information which is actually inside the template. I will go to the system, site template style, and click this template, and now under the advanced we can either set it, depends on the template you are using. Some templates have minimum parameters and other have many parameters. I can set also the this image logo. Okay, okay, we are done, but like this module, this logo size is too big. Let us see if there is any effect. No, there is no any effect. Perhaps I have to save it, close it. Okay, save it. After the save, let's close, select it. Yes, now it is done. Yes, great. After the we have set this logo. You can also set this logo on. We have only one menu right now. We may insert some search here. Let's go back to the module and under the manage set module we have seen this search in shop, which is a search product module by Virtuomart. Hide the title, set the position to the search, and let's save it and see what is showing. Okay, search is here. These are our setting provided by the search module. It will be used to search a product on your website. You can give this whatever text you like, and you can also apply CSS setting by going to advanced. Under the module class, you can give some custom CSS class name. And save it. It will be visible in the front end. If you can work with the code. You can see by going to inspect this element that this class is applied here. Here you can see this class is applied to the module. Okay. Okay, next now this you can see this top header is fixed, and let us see if this is set by template, or we have to do it using the code. Under the advanced, it has layout static or flat, and it has sticky header set to yes. If I click on no and save it, this R will be hidden. Yes, it is nice now. Now next we will set some product in the virtual mart. We will go to the component. Under the virtual mart, go to the control panel, and first of all it is giving a warning to set the safe path. And if you are on the live website, just set up there, because we are on the local host. I am not going to set it here. So if we have to first of all go to products, and it has some sample data there. So I will take advantages of the sample data, and I will skip I will show you the just an overview of this component products. First, if you have to add a product, give the product name, SKU, and category. First we have to create the category. So creating category is simple. It will not take any information from you. Any complex information is required there. And then set it published, and if you need to show in on the feature, click on it, and if a product is discontinued or not, and rest of all it will populate. You can leave it. Put the cost price, the currency, and leave the shopper group unchanged. And these are tax these are the set tax rules. When I will show you about the virtual mart in the advanced course, I will teach about it. And next step, product description. Write down the short description and product detailed description. Let me write some sample here. Product detailed description here, and this is the short description. And to the product status, next is the product status. We will set the item in stock and availability date when you want to start publishing this stock, and all other details don't need to change. And if your product is physical, write down the dimensions, and now give the product some images. You can upload the images from here, and in the very last we have custom field. I will teach you in advanced level about the custom field. Now save and close it. Now I will go to the menu. I will go to the main menu, this home menu, which is currently set to an article. I will change the main menu item type to virtual mart and display some products under the category layout, and select the category. Let us see fragrances, and if you need to filter the products by manufacturer, you can select it, but I'm not going to change it. All other setting for now we don't need to change, just save it. Now go to the front end, click on the home menu, and yes, virtual mart products are here. First of all, it is showing the virtual mart shop description, then its category. There are two categories under the fragrances, lady and mister, and they have some images, and then it is showing the feature product under those categories, and all the detail you can see here. Product has a rating, product has this stock level, and product title. This is a description, short description, and all the prices, and there are variant for a product to select from. Now you can go to the product detail, and on this product detail, this is actually CSS issue, and after you select the variant, there was some mistake in the home page, and it is working right here in the detail page. After selecting the variant, it is giving the price and all the tax amount, and allow you to add to the shopping cart. You can add it, then continue shopping or show to cart. Now this is a complete cart system, shopping cart system, e-commerce website, where you have shipment methods, where you have payment methods, and all the checkout information, and until you complete an order. This is all set up right now here. You have login modules. Now I will go back to the module. I will go back to the home page. I will show you how to add a virtual mart module to any other position. So go to the system, set module. Let us say we want to show categories of the virtual mart products. Now when I click on the category, it is asking for some parent category to be selected from. Let us say we select this headpiece. I don't know how many products are in this category, and let me see some useful location for this category. We can either use the left sidebar, we can use this bottom, we can either use the footer. Let me try first sidebar left. Go to the position, tap the left. This position is here, and our products, and this module also support the cache. I have told you about the cache also, and menu assignment on all pages, and save it. Go to the front end, go to the home page. No, this category I can see has no product. Let us select some other product category, save, and refresh the front page. Yes, Now this actually this is a product category. It will show category inside which has some parent category, and parent category has more subcategories. I have to change the title product categories. Or maybe actually you are watching this word fragrances. This is not right word, because we can see there are cloths inside this fragrances. So no worry, we can change the spells, and we can also give the titles cloth categories, or whatever wording you like, you need it. I will go to the component with Joomla under the categories. Let's change this fragrance to clothes. Remove the CF alias and replace this fragrance with the clothes, and this is a cloth description, and save and close. It should be okay now. Yes, it is okay now. Okay, you can see the home page is looking well now, as it is being populated with some data. Basic data is there. Same like you can add a newsletter extension. ACY mailing is good extension for newsletter, and then you can put the newsletter. Also you can, if you have a portfolio website, you can add the testimonial extensions to your website, or even you can use custom HTML, which is the core module of the Joomla.